Hey, what's up everybody? Again, it's me, Joffrey. Welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you all stay safe, fit and healthy. I'm here to introduce to you an amazing Huawei product which is Huawei Matebook X. So I'm gonna show you the amazing top 3 key features of this device. The Matebook X comes with an ultra slim aesthetic design for premium looks with a weight of 1 kilogram only. Matebook X is highly portable to carry around. The Matebook X offers Huawei Full View display with 3K display and high resolution, and 90% screen to body ratio allows you to have crisper, sharper and uninterrupting viewing experience. To enhance your experience, Matebook X supports the Huawei multi-screen collaboration technology. With just a simple tap, your smartphone and Huawei Matebook X will transform into one super device, even without internet connection. Your phone screen appears on your Matebook, which allows you to control your smartphone. You can drag and drop file, use your mobile application, and reply to calls and messages in real time. This cross-device collaboration makes life at work much easier. All of these features are powered by the Intel 10th generation CPU, providing you high performance to keep up with your daily tasks. So go ahead and experience the amazing Huawei Matebook X in any local stores. So if you liked the video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.